Hi. Hi, Jessie. Hello, hello.
Teacher.
Wow.
Ma'am.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. And welcome. Wow, you are so pretty. Welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you? How's your trip? How's how's your trip going home? Did
Go, my daddy, in my mom and my dad.
Oh, you're in your mom and your dad's house now?
Yes.
How was your day in your grandma's house? Is it fun in your grandma's house?
It's Friday. I will go back to my mom and my dad house.
Yeah, yes, because your mother, I think your mother said that you will be going back to your house. It's nice to see you again. Wow. So how are you today? Happy. Wow, that's good to know. So cute. So, did you already eat your
Big,
dinner?
big baby teddy bear.
Oh, can I see? Can you
Yes.
show me? Can you show?
Look.
Oh, it's really big. How
Yes.
how big is it? Can you stand up?
Yes.
How big is it? Oh, it's very big.
It's a bear.
Yeah, I thought it's in the box. Did you remove did you remove it in the box? Oh,
Yes.
you remove it. Oh, it's so cute. It has what do you call that? It has a jacket.
Yes.
It's so cute. What is your teddy bear's name? What is her name? Is she a girl or a boy? Oh,
Yeah.
it's a
It's a
girl.
pink
Yes, it's
bear. Pink
pink.
bear.
Oh, pink bear. It's a pink.
Strawberry bear. Strawberry bear.
Oh, really?
Strawberry
It's a strawberry bear? Oh,
bear.
yeah, it has a strawberry. It's so cute. It's very big. It's bigger than you. It's bigger
Big
than,
bear.
yes, it's bigger than your face. It's
What do
so
you eat today? What are you eat
me.
today?
Today I eat potatoes. Potatoes and rice. Yeah.
And
I
I eat a fish and rice.
Oh, fish and rice. Wow, that's very delicious, huh? Very delicious. Wow. So thank you so much. And it's nice to see you again. Are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay. So for our new lesson, so we are still in Unit 3, which is all about birthday party.
Party.
But for our new lesson, we will talk about right now about toys again.
Toys.
Yes, we will
And
talk
I
about
just toy.
toys.
I have a big toy.
Yeah, it's very relevant to our lesson because you show your toy, your big toy. Okay, so right now we will talk about again about toys. But
Toys.
before we talk about toys, let's watch a quick video about our
Yes.
lesson. Okay, let me just open for a moment. Okay, this one. Can you hear the
Let's
sound?
play.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Let's play. Look, it's playtime.
Playtime.
Look at the children. How many boys?
How many
Two
boys?
boys.
Two
How
boys.
many girls? Two
Two.
girls. How many balls? One ball. What color is it? It's
It's red.
red. Look, this is Natalie.
Natalie.
Natalie has a doll. How many girls? Two. How many dolls? One. Look, what's this?
It's a puzzle.
Puzzle.
This class has a caterpillar puzzle. This class has games too. How many games? 1,
Two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This class has 7 games.
7 games.
Playtime is fun. Let's play together.
Okay, wow. So that is our video, which is all about toys. Now, Jessie, can you tell teacher what did you see in the video? What did you see?
I see a I see a puzzle and people
Puzzle. Oh, very
and
good.
people
People, very good. There are a lot of people. So now,
playing.
very good. So they are playing. So now let's go to this children. So how many children are there?
It's four.
4. How many girls?
2 girls, 2
Very,
boys.
very good. 2 girls and 2 boys. How many? First, what are they playing?
They playing a ball.
Very good.
Color is red.
Very good. They're playing with a red ball. Good job. How about you, Jessie? Do you have a ball?
Yes, I have 3 balls.
Oh, really? Oh, what what
Really?
what color are your balls?
Orange and rainbow.
Oh, orange and rainbow. How about the other one?
No.
Ah,
Orange and rainbow and one more.
yes.
It's monkey.
Monkey? Monkey?
Yeah.
Orange, rainbow, and monkey?
Monkey balls.
Oh, really?
Really?
The orange one, is it a basketball?
Yes.
Oh, it's a basketball. Wow. And the rainbow one. So I think it's very cute. Rainbow
A rainbow
color.
is cat.
Oh,
Cat.
a cat.
Meow.
A cat ball. A cat
Meow.
rainbow ball. Meow.
Meow. Are you have a cat?
Oh, I have a cat. Yes, I have. Do you want to see?
Where? Yes.
Okay, let me check if my cat is here. Ah, no. He is downstairs. My cat is downstairs.
Hello.
Oh, it's orange. Where is the monkey? Monkey ball.
I
Oh,
don't.
there.
I Down here.
Oh, you don't hear? Hello?
Yes. No, I hear but it's not
Ah,
a monkey ball. It's not here.
I thought you cannot hear teacher. Oh, it's so cute. It's rainbow, the other one. Can I see the orange one? Can you show the orange? Oh, it's like a soccer ball. It's so cute. Do you like to play with your balls?
I would like to play an orange ball
Ah, you like that one. Why don't you like the rainbow?
because it cannot roll.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Oh, okay, so good job. So that is about playing ball. So wow. Okay, next. How about this one? Let's proceed to this girls.
Oh,
Okay.
look, I have a baby. I like it. I have
Yes.
a baby.
Do you have a baby doll? You also have
I
a baby
want to
doll?
have. I want to. I want to play my. I want to be my mom. I want to be mom. I don't like to be a scholar.
Ah, really?
I don't like to be a, a baby.
Oh, really? You want to have a baby?
Yes.
Oh, no. You're still too young. It's in the future, not now. But do you have a baby doll like these girls? Do you also have a
Yes.
baby doll? Oh, is is your
It
baby
has a
doll?
shape.
It,
It's a kitty. A shape
oh,
is
really?
rainbow.
Oh, the chair
Cling,
tr
cling, cling.
is
A a shape. A
a
shape.
train like this train,
No, a
train
shape. Shape. Shape.
like that train.
No.
Uh,
Okay. Like
um, how do you spell that?
red. Red.
Red, red. A crib. This one crib.
No, it's a red. A red.
Red,
The
red.
red. The red.
Hmm,
You don't know?
like this one.
Ghost. Ghost. Ghost.
A car, red car.
Ghost. A ghost.
What is that?
A skirt. A
A
skirt.
skirt, skirt.
Yes.
Ah,
Have.
red
It's
skirt.
rainbow.
A rainbow
Clean,
skirt.
clean, clean,
Rainbow
clean,
skirt.
clean, clean. Yes.
Oh, it's
It's
so
very shining.
very shining. The face of your
Yes.
baby doll.
Yes.
Wow, that's so nice. What do you like more? Do you like playing with a ball or do you like playing with a doll or baby doll? Ball
Baby doll.
or baby doll? Oh, baby doll.
Baby doll.
Same. I also like to play with baby dolls. Before,
Why?
yes, because they are so cute. Yeah, before I have a lot of baby dolls, but right now I don't have.
It's old. It's
It's
old.
it's gone. My baby dolls are gone because I'm big now.
Why?
Because I'm big now. I cannot play. Yeah.
You are the mommy.
No, I'm still not a mommy. I'm still young.
You're the mommy.
No, I still don't have a children. I only have
Why?
yeah, because I'm
Why
still
you don't
young.
have a baby?
I'm still
Na,
young.
na,
I
na,
have
na,
I
la,
have
la,
dogs. I have dogs. Dogs are my babies.
la.
Yeah, the one that I showed you last time. Those are my
Okay.
babies. The black one. The black dog is my first baby. Baby dog.
Oh,
Do you remember the black dog?
yes, it's
Yes.
too, it's too yellow, right?
Yes, it's a girl. And the boy, it's my new baby.
Yes,
Yes.
a boy is one yellow. It's cute. I
Yes.
like the boy, not a girl. A
Are
boy
you
is cutie.
really? You don't like
Really?
my girl baby?
Yes,
My
I
baby
like a
dog.
boy.
The
Your
boy
boy.
dog. Oh.
Yes, your baby boy. It's so cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So now let's go back to the video that we have. So again, so let's have this one.
Uh,
What
a
toy is this?
puzzle. It's a
It's a
puzzle.
puzzle. Very
Puzzle.
good. Do you know how to play puzzle? Or do you have a puzzle?
Yay!
Oh,
But
what
I
what
have
kind
a
of puzzle?
puzzle. A bear puzzle.
Big puzzle? Really?
A bear. Bear.
A bear
Bear.
puzzle?
Oh, where going?
Oh, it's a bear puzzle. And have you
Yes.
already built it like this? Have
Mm-hmm.
you played with it? Oh,
Yes.
is it complete now?
No, it's small. It's small. Like this. Just like
Oh,
this.
oh, it's
Just
small. It's
like
just
this.
small. But do you want to
Yes.
do you want to try a big puzzle? You want to try very
Yes.
big like
Yes.
this? Yeah, let's find some puzzle that are big, big puzzle.
Beep 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 beep
Big
beep 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 beep.
like
But
this.
big, big.
Huh? Is it puzzle? Big puzzle. Or do you want to try like this? Can you see my hand?
I cannot
The
see.
big, big. Ah, there's no picture. Why is there no picture? Like
Big.
like this, very big puzzle. So big, so big.
Yes,
Oh,
I have.
really? You have like this big? It's very hard to build because it's very big. You need to find the pieces. You want to play with this big puzzle?
The queen
Okay.
said, "It's big, 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 big."
It's very big. Really?
Yes,
Oh,
big, big,
wow.
big, 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 big,
Big. Wow, that's so nice that you know
big.
how to build a big puzzle. Okay, so
My
good
dad
job.
and my mom and me
Mm.
play.
You play
My
puzzle?
dad, my mom, and me
Uh-huh.
play.
Oh, you play puzzle with your mom and dad.
Play. Yes, play together.
Wow. Well, that's so nice. It's a good bonding with your parents. So that's so nice.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so now since we already had to watch the video about the toys, so let's proceed to the first part of our lesson. Okay. So we have here new toys. But first, let's listen to this toys.
Page 30.
Let me just
Lesson
close my
4.
door.
Toys. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Game.
I closed my door.
2,
Okay.
Marble.
Marble.
3,
Puzzle.
Puzzle.
4,
Card.
Card. Very good. Okay. So now let's read.
Game.
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 Next is, what's this?
Marble.
Okay, one more time.
Marble.
One more time. Let's say marble.
Marble.
Very good. Nice. Good
Marble.
job. Very good. Next is
Puzzle.
puzzle. Very good.
Card.
And card.
Card.
Very good. So
Card.
card. Perfect. So now let's learn more about of these games or these toys that we have. So let's go first with this one. What is this?
It's game.
It's
It's a game.
game. It's a game. Very good. So when we say game, Jessie, it is something fun that we play. Like for example, tag or hide and seek. Do you know hide and seek?
No.
Oh, really? You don't know? You, hide and seek? One. Okay. So one player will hide and one player will find the player that is hiding. So that is hide and seek. That's my favorite game when I was a child. Do you play it with your friends? Hide and seek?
Yes, but I play just with my brother
Oh, you with your brother? You
and my
play hide and seek?
sister.
Oh, brother and sister?
Mhm.
Wow. What do you want? Do you want to hide or do you want to seek?
I want to see.
Oh, really?
But my
Wow.
brother and my sister play, and I
Oh.
see.
Oh, you seek. You are the one who seek. Wow, you're so
Yes.
brave. I always want to hide because
Why?
hiding is very easy. Seeking or finding the people or the children who hides, it's very hard.
No, I don't see how.
Really? Wow, you are so brave. Where do you play? Do you play at your house?
No.
Do you Oh, where do you play? Outside? Oh, really?
Really?
Really, it's hard. It's so hard outside because there are a lot of places that you can hide. And you find,
Easy,
oh,
I'm crazy.
wow, wow, so brave. I don't want to be the seeker because it's very hard. Okay, so again, this is a game. When we say game, it is the fun
Easy.
things that we
It's
play.
easy, I'm crazy.
It's easy lemon queasy. Okay, so like what we have
Game.
games. Okay. So like we had learned last time, if we have two or more things, so we will just add letter S. So from one game, so we have here how many? Oh, that's a cute bracelet. This my bracelet is so plain. Look, let me just show it to you. It's very plain. It's color black, but it has a heart. Oh, you cannot see. It's heart. Ting, ano, you cannot see. Yeah, heart.
We
But
can
it's
see.
oh, you can see. It's heart. So it's like this. Doesn't have anything. But yours is so cute. I like your bracelet.
It have a flower. Can you see?
Yes. Yes, it's so cute. Did you made it?
Yeah. No.
Oh,
No. No.
no. You just buy it, bought it?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I have here another, but it's not a bracelet. Let me
What
just,
is
it's not a bracelet. It's like
what is
a
this?
ring. Yeah.
A ring?
Yeah. It was given by my
Oh,
friend.
I don't
It,
have a ring.
oh, really? It's so cute.
But
It's,
my mom and my dad have.
oh, yes, because they are married. Do you want to have a ring? Rings are so cute.
Yes.
Yes.
I
Okay.
have, but it's O. I have it, but O. What's
You
O?
you have a
I
ring?
put it a trash bin because it's O.
Oh,
Very, very, very O.
really? It's very, very
Really?
old. Oh no. You don't have a new one?
Yes.
Tell to your dad to buy you some ring. Okay. Okay, again. So let's go back. So we have here one game and we have here,
Marble and marbles.
yes, very good. So yours
Puzzle and puzzles.
very good.
Cat and cars.
Okay.
Cat and cars.
Okay, perfect. Wow, so advanced, huh? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But how many? How many marbles? How many? How how many marbles?
Oh,
Four? Huh?
little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell out and bumped his head.
What
Mama
song is
called the
that?
doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkey jumping on the bed."
What song is that? I only know do you know the wheels on the bus go round and
Row,
yeah.
row
Yeah.
and row,
I
row
only
and
know
row,
um
row is the bus go round and round all
oh
around
the
town.
to town. Okay.
A
And do
town.
you know Twinkle, Twinkle,
A
Little Star,
little song, how
I
I
want
wonder what you
you
are.
are up
Up above the world
world
so
so high,
high,
like
like a diamond.
diamonds in the sky. Twing,
Twinkle, twinkle,
twinkle,
little
little
star,
star,
how
how
I wonder what
what
you are.
you are. What are some other songs?
One little
Hmm,
monkey jumping on the bed,
I don't know
one
that.
fell
What
off and
what is the
one
name of
hit
that
head.
song? One Little
Monkey
Monkey?
jumping on the bed.
A monkey
Monkey jumping
jumping.
on the bed.
Okay, I will study that. How about, do you know, one little, two little, three
Little
little
tree, little
finger,
five. No,
four little,
one. No,
how?
one little, two little, three little ducklings, four little,
Little
five little, six little ducklings,
duckling,
seven
seven,
little eggs, and the nine
little,
little ducklings, 10
10.
little ducklings.
Oh, I only know the one little, two little, three little fingers, four little. I only know that. Oh, we have ducklings. What are the other songs?
Hmm.
Mm,
Nice
what
one.
song? Do you know Itsy Bitsy Spider? Na 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 na.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Itsy, itsy spider, off in the water spout. Thou can the rain in, goes a spider out. Thou can sun and dry up all the rain. And
And
itsy,
itsy
itsy
bitsy spider.
spider, whopping us again.
Wow, how about the Old MacDonald had a farm.
The dog.
E-I-E-I-O. Wow, you know a lot of songs, huh? Um, you know the head, shoulders, knees,
Knees and toes.
toes, knees and
Knees
toes,
and toes.
head,
Head, shoulder,
shoulders,
knees and
knees and
toes.
toes, knees and oh,
Knees
you
and
you know
toes
a lot of
and
songs, huh?
and ear
Hmm.
and mouth and nose. Hands to the
Shoulder,
knees
knees
and
and
toes.
toes,
Knees and
knees and
toes.
toes.
Time for rainbow cosicle. Yummy, yummy, color, cosicle. Time for rainbow cosicle. What color do we need? Red! We need five a full house red. We need five a full house red. We need five a full house red. Oh, look, it's strawberry.
Strawberry. Wow. Whoa, you're
Cool.
very good singer, huh? Hmm.
No, I don't.
Um,
Horse.
what's that? Huh? That. Oh, that's all the songs that I know. I don't know anymore. Ah, do you
No,
know
I know.
Baby Shark? That's so.
Baby shark do baby shark do baby shark do baby shark. Mommy
Mommy,
shark do mommy
mommy,
shark do mommy shark mommy shark.
daddy. Ah,
It's
yeah,
shark
daddy.
mommy shark.
Okay, that's enough. Wow, you have a lot of songs that you know, huh? So very good. You're
I
very
don't
nice.
know, but
You don't know? You do
I
you
don't
want?
know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Hmm? Do you
Uh,
want? Do you want to be a?
some I don't know some I don't know some song, but I know some song
Oh,
also.
do you want to be a
So
singer in the future? You want to be a singer?
no,
I know.
no.
What do you want to be? Do you want to be a
I
doctor?
want to play no.
What do you want?
Airplane.
I, you
Uh,
want to fly
airplane.
an airplane?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to be a pilot? Really?
Really?
Really? Wow. Really? Like this?
Really?
Like this? Like this? This one? Like this? The
Mhm.
a pilot?
Yes.
Really? Y- What? Are
Really?
you not scared on the sky or in the sky? You're not scared of
Yes, I
heights?
don't scare.
Wow, that's a very good job. A pilot. Wow, why do you want to be a pilot? Why do you want to drive a plane?
Because I like the sky.
Oh, really? Oh, because you like
Really?
rainbows. I think because
Mm-hmm.
you want to see rainbows in the sky while flying.
It was scow, scow, scow.
Oh, that's so nice. Wow. So if you will be a pilot someday, I will ride on your plane.
Why?
Wow.
Why?
That's so nice, huh? You want to be a pilot. Wow. Is your father a pilot?
Mm,
Is your
no,
father? Ah, no. Is there a pilot in your family?
no, don't
Really?
have.
Oh,
Really?
you just want to be a pilot.
Yes, I want to
Wow.
be a new pilot.
Wow, that's so nice. That's so nice. Let's hope for the best. I know you can do it because you are a very smart child. Okay, so that's so nice.
Boom,
Wow.
boom, 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 boom. Rain, rain, go
Oh, I know
away.
that.
Harder
Come
than
again
another.
another day. Little children wants
want
to
to
play.
Rainy,
Rain, rain, go away. Okay. Okay, so good job in today's lesson, Jessie. So I think it's the end of our time. But for this one, we will continue this lesson next Wednesday. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Jessie. See you again on Wednesday.
Bye. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Good night.
Good night. Sleep
Good night. Good
well.
night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good
Good
night.
night. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye.